Doing some corn cleanup this morning. Air system's getting weak. Wants to plug up on us, so the only way to unplug it, turn the spout to the open spot and let her rip, and then we get a big old pile of corn we get to scoop up.
Good Sunday morning. The sun is shining. We have got 26-acre triangle piece, 140-acre farm, and a 90 wrap-up corn harvest. And then the tillage and strip till, and we got a big tiling project to do. So yeah, hope the weather turns better. It sounds like really wet coming Tuesday. Today is Sunday. Tuesday night rain for 3 days and then 23 degrees. So I hope we get another summer coming. Let's stay tuned for that, but we'll see. Kobe's pulling in here. Good Monday afternoon. We're on our second to last field. We've got 19 acres left here. Got Calvin in the cart, Kobe in a truck, neighbor John in a truck, and another neighbor Dan in a truck. We got two going to Poet, and Kobe's going home to feed the dryer. Trying to get done. I don't know if we will get done. We got 90 acres across the road. That's chance of rain tonight, and then 3 to 4 inches of rain with snow this weekend. So not gonna be good. I don't know if we can make it or not. To our last field, 91 acre field. We currently have 46 acres of it done. It is 11:15. There was a chance of rain at midnight, but they've taken that out. Now there's no rain till 4 in the afternoon tomorrow, but do we trust it? Or do we just hammer it out and get done about 3 o'clock this morning and be done with harvest? So as of right now, I guess we're going for it. We got plenty of room in the holding bin, and we've got the neighbors' 3 trucks full, and Dan and Kobe are hauling home. So we probably got about 5,000 room in the holding bin and the 3 trucks, so it should be able to get it on wheels if we can stay awake long enough. Well, we're running out of time. The rain's getting really close. I don't know if you can see the lightning up there, besides the flashing lights that I'm getting full. But it is 12:30. We're supposed to get rain at 1, and we have like 20 acres left. 20 acres to finish 2023, and we're gonna get rained out. We gave it everything we had today. I mean, we started. It rained last night.
If we don't get the field finished, too small is it, Calvin?
We got rain last night, so we had a late start this morning. We've done close to 140 acres, over 30,000 bushels. So we did what we could. But I think if there's an opening tomorrow and the stock, but if there's an opening tomorrow and the stalks dry out, I think we're going to mud it out because we got a lot of rain coming. starting tomorrow at 4 o'clock. There's 3 days of a lot of rain and then turning super cold with snow. So gonna put the old tracks to the test, get her done. 1:30 fuel stop. Putting on fuel. Well, I hate to admit it, but we're broke down with 6 acres left and we gotta have a John Deere save the day. 2:30 in the morning and he's digging it out of his shed so he can finish my last 6 acres. Oh, Dan, a big one for that. Yep, 2:56 a.m. lightning and thundering to the north. Broken red combine and saved by a deer. What a way to finish harvest 2023. 6 acres left. Dan's finishing that up and you can see what's coming. You can see the lightning getting pretty intense. Well, taking the head off for the final time in 2023. Defeated, broke down. Had to get finished up by a deer. I'm never going to hear the end of it. All right, there's what ended 2023 harvest with 6 acres to go. Broke this shaft, broke the auger, flighting. Yeah, hope it didn't cut a hole in the floor. Last load of 2023. Afternoon. Well, we got a lot of stuff put away, and now we are going to go and locate some tile. The temperature is currently dropping. It was a high at midnight of, I don't remember, 48, 50 degrees, and it's supposed to be below freezing tonight, so getting cold. Ready for spring. Locating a 10-inch main. I'm going to try and put a sub main on 20 feet either side of this. Do our new tiling project. Got Kelvin in the hole, Kobe's supplying tools. Yeah, if you've ever gone tiling and you've done probing, you know what it's like. You got to get yourself a Maverick tile finder, tile locator. Just walk along and it tells you where the tile's at. You just found it right there. Flag it and move on. Good Saturday morning. We located the main. It's a 10-inch cement that goes all the way down from this road all the way down to those trees way down there, and we're plan for today is try and put in 6-inch sub mains on each side of it so that we can hook on 4-inch laterals. We got the IntelliSlope in here. That'll be a John Deere guidance for setting the line widths. And then we have a Soil Max tile plow. So see how the day goes. It's pretty cold out today, below freezing, but we'll see what we can get done. Putting in the 6-inch sub mains. Got a long run here going. Hopefully the snow holds off for a while. We're just gonna make things greasy. Now for all the non-tiling people, this is what the perforated pipe looks like. This is a 6-inch, and this is the plow that just plows it in the ground and puts it down whatever depth you need it at, off of a RTK globe. And then the water runs, excess water runs down to where you want it. I'm waiting for another, they went to get another roll of tile. Pulling it with a 540 quad works really good. And we do have a pull cable on here if we need to have a little extra power. Got the cable right here to hook onto. And then we've got these lovely rocks out here. They're always fun when you're tiling. But yeah, waiting on another roll. If anybody's wondering, we're putting the tile in at 0.8.
Did it say what that?
I was just gonna say, if anybody's wondering what we're putting it in at, we're putting it in at 0.8 miles an hour. So not very fast. The slower you go, the better the grade you get. Let the hydraulics catch up with everything. Well, there's our new pipe we just put in, already working. Be working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is the other line we're putting in. Put PVC pipe on the end, and then we'll start out with a perforated tile. Gotta get her backed in here.
A little slimy out today. The old 540 needed some help, so we had to go unhook the 620 from the strip to the bar using a tow rope we got from a friend of ours.
Stop, Calvin.
This 6 inches going down about 5 foot right now, so about 5 foot of that plow is under the ground.
You can probably pull it if you want on